It's the beginning of the month, and that means it's time to open subscription boxes. It's actually the 10th of the month. I'm not very punctual. Let's open a quad box. In case you've been living under a rock for the last couple of years, subscription boxes are, it's kind of like Christmas every month. At the beginning of the month, you get a box. It has some stuff in it. It's a little bit predictable, a little bit of a surprise. For example, in Quad Box, usually there's a t-shirt, there's some stickers, there's a tool, there's a premium item, and basically you get more cash value out of the box than you put in to the price of the box. But you don't get to like pick and choose what you want. So we're going to open this box. This is the box for, well, I'll put it in the video title. I don't really know I can't ever keep track of how the boxes work. Like currently we're in the month of June, but does that make this I don't know. Anyway, let's open the box. And Quad Box, as I said, always has some stickers and t-shirts. They seem to focus a little bit more on these kind of media style things, you know, than the drone drop, which is the other. Oh, am I allowed to say the drone drop name in the Quad Box review? Ooh. Well, anyway, drone drop's the other big one, and we're going to do an unboxing of that one in another video. But here are the stickers we get in this one, and I anticipate that these stickers are going to be kind of polarizing because some people love Ladrib and some people really don't like Ladrib. Here are the stickers, and we've got, this is his Drib logo. This is, of course, the Rotor Riot logo in Drib purple. I also like purple, is one of my favorite colors as well. Drib, not going to be doing my hair purple anytime soon, but this is a custom graffiti piece of art done by Zorro. So that's Zorro, and this, of course, is Drib's cat. I'm guessing his horrible hairless cat. Drib, I can live with the purple hair, but the hairless cat, I don't know, man. I don't know how you love that thing. Anyway, whatever. It's your pet. And this is, I'm guessing this has something to do with Drib. Anyway, there you go. Detroit FPU. There's your stickers. Okay, fine. Props. There's props in every box. There's always props, right? T5046C Cyclones. Okay, fine. 3 sets of T5046C props. Those are good props. I usually run 5045s because for freestyle, I think you usually want to err a little bit on the side of a little bit lighter, lower pitch for, you know, more responsive motors, a little bit less thrust. This is 10% off your next order from MQC Airframes. I guess this is a Drib-themed box. You can tell how much research I do before I open. They just come in the mail. I start shooting. I open them. I'm so busy. This is Drib is sponsored by MQC. They're the ones who make his frames. And this is 10% off your next order. Access code LODRIB2018. And if you didn't buy the box, you can probably still use this code. So everybody, 10% off MQC. Go for it. Was I not supposed to show that? This is the DYS F4 Pro V2 flight controller. And I got to guess that this is like the boost item. There's 2 price tiers for these subscription boxes. There's one where you just get a few of the items, but you don't get the big premium item. This is probably the big premium item. And if I did more research, I would know the answer to that. But I do a lot of research into like what's the latest features of Betaflight 3.4. When it comes to opening a subscription box, sorry sponsors, I don't do a lot of research. This is DYS F4. This is the flight controller that Drew flies. I do know that for a fact. And I'll give you a tip about this flight controller. UART3, TX, and RX are flipped. At least they were on some of the earlier versions. I think it's still true on this one. So if you're using this flight controller and you cannot get UART3 to work, flip TX and RX. They're actually reversed. There's a little, see, there's knowledge all throughout. And it's nice. It comes with the plugs. Now this is also, this comes with these wires pre-made to go with the DYS engine ESC. So if you want to just use, there you go, just use this plug right here. It'll plug right into the DYS engine ESC. No soldering needed to connect it to the ESC. Stacks right on top of it. And the DYS engine ESC has nothing to do with this quad box, but it is a very, very good ESC. If you're running up to 5S, and you know, there you go. It'll go with this flight controller really well. So there we go. And let's see here. These are quad skids. I'll give you a close-up of them. Quad skids. So basically, you put these on under your motors, and then they're like landing pads. But unlike like these landing pads here, these are the foam landing pads that you guys are probably familiar with. These things tear off super easily. They're really good, but they tear off. And whereas these quad skids, they're not going to tear off. And the flip side is, though, like if you put your quad down on the trunk of your car or your hood of your car or something, like I always worry that the screws are going to scratch up the paint. Not like I have a super high-end car like Schizo, but these quad skids, I mean, they're plastic, but I kind of still might think about them. Whereas these foam ones, they're not going to scratch anything. But the flip side is these guys tear off real big. And the other thing this lets you do is, and you'll see Drew do this in his flight sometimes, is if you turn off air mode, you can actually just kind of land and skid to a stop. These things make that really fun. I never turn off air mode, so I don't do that move. Air mode all the time, 100%. That's my deal. Lastly, no, not lastly. Oh, here's a tweezers. Okay. Got a little tweezers here. I'm guessing, is it ceramic tipped or is that metal? Why would you have a separate tip if it wasn't ceramic, but it sure feels like metal? Anyway, tweezers, fine. Good. And then the t-shirt. And the t-shirt is what really makes Quadbox stand out. They have custom t-shirts in every month's box. They're custom designs typically done by an artist in the FPV community. And they're only available through the Quadbox if you have a subscription to Quadbox. Not just you can buy monthly or you can buy a subscription, a renewing subscription. If you have the subscription, you get access to the Quadbox store, which allows you to like go back through previous months and purchase some of the items that were in the box, like if you missed a box. But the number one reason to get the subscription, in my opinion, is that there are these custom shirts. Like I have this Rotor Riot shirt done in the style of the Top Gun logo, and every time people see me wearing it, they're like, where can I get that shirt? I'm like, the only way to get it is to have a subscription to Quadbox, and then you can go buy it from the store. So let's have a look at this month's shirt, and I can already see it's a Drib shirt. Of course it is. The shirt is the Drib. It's like, is it eyeliner? Is it because he wears eyeliner, right? That's why the shirt has an eye. Yeah. Okay. So there's the shirt. So like if you like Drib, then you're going to love this shirt. And if you don't like Drib, you're not going to, this isn't the month for you. So, okay. There you go. That is the Quadbox for the month of whatever month this is. Go look at the video description or the video title. I'll figure it out. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, that's about it. That's what's in the box. That's pretty much all I do for these quad. Unbox them. Give you a little bit of knowledge if there's anything that comes to mind. And you can decide if this is the kind of thing you're interested in spending a little bit of money a month on. That's it.